I want to, I already invite all of you to my Google Classroom. And for those who hasn't joined the Google Classroom yet,
I don't see it.
You don't see you? Okay, if you don't see it, oh, Kaiden, you know what? Because you haven't official registered. And you know what? For today's class and Wednesday's class, you can choose either one. I think it will be better on Wednesday's class because you learned so much before already. So yeah, but you can choose. Yeah, I think it will be better.
I just never worked with Roblox before because my dad blocked it.
Both of them, I will touch base upon the Roblox.
Oh, I joined. I just joined.
Okay, so in case you haven't joined yet, sorry, I'm just trying to texting back the student. In case you haven't joined yet the Google Classroom, click the link from the Zoom chat. Okay, so and then all my slides will be posted here, and once every time after the class, once I finish the recording processing, that I will upload it here as well. So if you go back here on the slide 1, and there will be one more link for the recording. So in today's class, before we started, I just want to introduce the challenge. Did you guys finish the challenge yet?
Oh, I didn't start it yet.
Yeah, we have a competition challenge.
Wait, when does it end? I didn't start it yet.
It's until November 21st.
Wait, let me check the calendar.
Yeah, it's until
it's 15th today.
Yeah, it's until 21st. So you still have time. And for new student, I just want to show you, this is a competition. You don't have to in my class before in order to join. Everybody is welcome to join. So it's categorized by different age. So for Melody and Daniel, you can, so Daniel should be good for this age, and Melody should be good for age 8 to 10. So I can give you one example of the challenge, which is, it's just logic. It's not something too technical. So it's just like, say for example, this beaver wants to go to this destination. So which way should he go? Like usually, like the answer for this one is going this way, and this way, and this way. We went through this in my previous class, but you can take a look at all this challenge, the example challenge here. And
Wait,
then
I did 6 to 8 on the last class.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Different.
Yeah. There are a couple different task challenges. So the more you practice, the better. Okay, but you still have time. Once you decided you want
A question.
Yes. Hi, Amber. Yeah, Amber just logged in.
It is like until November 20th.
Yeah, so choose a time that you can have 45 minutes in order to complete a challenge. So once you start,
yeah, but does that mean we're doing this for a whole week?
No. Only 45 minutes next month. So select a time, a quiet time that you have like at least 45 minutes. And once you click, where is that? Student, click here to log in. So I already give you the login from the last time. So for Daniel and Melody, if and Kaiden, if you would like to participate this, let me know. I can create one account for you. And let me send.
Yeah, but I'm just like asking if, since this class ends until November 1st, doesn't that mean this ends after this?
Can I join?
Yeah, Kaiden, you can definitely join. Yeah. So wait.
Don't I need a password?
Amber, finish your question. What was your question before?
I'm like asking, since you said the class ends on November. And November 20th, doesn't that mean it mean the class ends at Friday?
No, no, no. That's just the time for the chat, for the test, for the challenges. Okay, so Hayden, try. Hayden, try to write down here.
What's code play?
I found one, but what's my password?
I know. I'm trying to give you right now. Wait. Oh, you already have it here. You already have it here. That's your password. That's your username.
Let me try log in.
Write it down. Write it down. Okay.
Yeah, but I have to do it now because
No, not now. Not now. Please, not now. I'm just reminding you guys. So Daniel and Melody, would you like to participate in this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Then write down. Wait. For Daniel, write down. Let's see which one is still available. Play. This one. Write down this. For Daniel, write down this. Play. P is capitalized. Play 007. That will be your username. And this will be
Teacher.
Wait, let me finish. And this will be your password for Daniel. Okay, write it down, and make sure the first letter is uppercase. Okay, and for Melody, Melody, can you write down this? Text 00A, and this will be your password. And I already sent the link to the Zoom chat, so it will be challenge.org. Okay. I can double post my challenge online as well. So you guys have a reference here. Challenge. Oops. Logging.
Brian turned to everyone 6:10 p.m.
So, okay, good. So that'll be challenge.
Thank you.
That's challenge.
Okay.
So you know you can find it here.
oh no.
Okay. All right. So any other question regarding the challenge? Aiden, you have a question?
I just think I forgot my password.
You will get your password?
Yes.
Aiden.
I'm play 404.
Oh, here. Okay, so that's your password. P34. And once you log in, you will be asked to enter your first name and last name. That's why you see some of the students they already enter. I know that's their name.
The bug.
Okay, so I need to start for today's class. Okay, so user interface design. Okay, that's the first slide we are going to have. We have introduction already. So let's begin. The user interface is all about how to communicate with the computer system. And how do we communicate with the computer system? There are certain different ways. Okay, we have input and output. So can you guess, is a mouse an input or an output? This is your chance to get a sticker.
This is easy.
I know. Okay, Stanley always the first one. Yeah, Stanley, you can say that. Is mouse an input or
mouse
output?
is an input because
I said that.
because your mouse is basically like your mouse moves your pointer in the computer system,
Okay, good. So,
and so it centers the movement and then uploads it to the computer.
okay, cool. Yeah, I give both Kaiden and one sticker. So this time I'm going to use the like I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because I was in my last class, the sticker was all over. Okay, all right. So we have like input and output. So input is you give the information to computer, so computer can take up. You know, the mouse is like where you move around on the screen, right? So that's giving the signal to the computer where your mouse is located on the screen. And how about a touch screen? Touch screen is actually
Output.
it's both input and output. Yeah, that's good. Was that Kristen saying that output? Okay, so touch screen is actually both input and output. Okay, and how about keyboard? Keyboard?
Input.
Input. Okay, Brian, what do you think, Brian?
Yeah, input.
Input? Are
She
you
says
ready?
she doesn't know.
1 for input.
I said input.
1 for input.
Input.
2 for output. You can give me your answer. 1
Well,
or 2.
the things from the keyboard you press, it goes into the computer. So is
That's
that
input.
input or an output?
It's input. Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
touch
it's an
screen is
input
actually
because
both.
the user keys to control the computer.
Yeah. So touch
Tell the
screen.
computer to type R, type S. Type
I got it.
Yeah. How about a 3D printer? Is it input or output?
Output.
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 There we go. Yeah.
Output. Output because it prints something.
Yeah.
You get something.
How about
Anything that prints out something like out of the computer, it's output.
how about temperature sensor? Do you know?
Those are the
temperature? Huh?
Output. Output. It
Output.
tells you something.
Are you sure it's output?
Input. Input.
Sensor. Yeah. Sensor is
Input and output. Both.
Input. It's actually input. The sensor is trying to sense the temperature, right? So it's giving information to the computer. So that's the input.
Headphones is output.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So have you guys like played around with
Oh, Alexa, Siri,
Alexa?
and
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I have all of them.
Yeah.
I have Siri on my dad and mom's iPad and iPhone, and
want
then
to,
I have Google
let me
Home, and
ask.
also Alexa. Okay, so what does coding mean?
Okay.
First one, I think it's facts. First one is fact.
Sorry, I cannot hear. I was trying to talk to my Siri.
I think first one is facts.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, XP reality, that thing. Remember you remember you were walking around, you went to lax with that thing?
Yeah, I think my Google Chrome just crashed. It closed my slide. So let me open it again. Where's my slide? I was trying to talk to my Siri and want to ask him, will it rain tomorrow? But obviously it crashed my my Google slide because I have too many things going on. I have my Roblox open.
You have everything open. You have Minecraft and Roblox open.
Yeah, I want to show you one of the example like we are trying to work on today. Okay, let me open. Okay, while we are waiting that, in the meantime, maybe I can show you the Roblox Studio. So this is the one of the
Pro.
I got the Roblox. I got Roblox.
Okay, so this is one of the games we are trying to design in this class because the holiday is coming.
Roblox.
Yeah, because holiday is coming, so I want you guys to design a Santa's factory, and inside the Santa factory, it will be like different kinds of gifts. It's like this right now. I'm navigating in this world.
Can you open it? Can you open the gifts?
Yeah, it doesn't allow me to open it because it was not designed like that. But the purpose of this game is called like escaping from the Santa.
Can you escape?
Yeah, so right now I'm trying to exit. So it's like a maze right now. So
Wait, keep playing.
I know.
Oh, don't fall off. Don't fall off.
I know. I failed last time and die hard. Okay.
Have one foot.
Aiden.
Okay. That was close.
And the red, I think. Then jump.
Jump.
Chocolate.
Again.
Okay.
Chocolate.
So in this game, it was designed like a maze. And then I have to, ouch.
You want us to join it?
Oh, you died.
Okay.
You want us to ouch?
No. So this
You
is,
want us to
Wow.
join it?
well, so this was designed by another person. Okay, I'm going to close it because it's slowed down my computer. It's getting, but I opened it because I want to show you. And that's one of the things we are going to work on for the rest of the class. So in the Roblox, if your parents allow you to install Roblox, because some parents do not allow their kids to install Roblox. And if your parent allow you to install Roblox, so this is actually my son's account, Joshua's account. He will be joining our class soon too. So inside the Roblox here, I just enter like a Santa's factory, and there's a escape from Santa's factory. That was a game. It was actually it is actually like a maze. You have to escape outside the maze.
Hold that. I need to.
Okay, so sorry, I don't know Aiden. Okay, so I click that one, and then it will launch. It will launch the game that I will show you.
Do we have to go right now?
No. I'm just want to show you that was the example. Eventually, we are going to
Roblox.
yeah. Eventually, we are going to have one mini project to design something in Roblox. But if your parents doesn't allow you to install Roblox, then I want you to design an interface.
Wait, we do have Roblox.
Yeah. But for some,
I do.
who doesn't have Roblox? Tristan doesn't have Roblox. Okay. Yeah, for Tristan, that's fine. Because we
My
can.
mom, I didn't ask my mom and dad yet.
I don't think they will approve it. Okay, but that's
I'm
fine.
gonna ask them.
So that's totally fine. You don't have to have Roblox.
Let me go in.
So for today's class project, because of the Roblox things, I already show you. Throughout the class, we are going to design a Santa's factory, and you are going to show a surprise gift to whoever use your computer program. And the main goal of your program is to maybe you can give a surprise gift, so it will be different every time. Or you can ask the kid's age, like 6 years old will give a 6-year-old boy will get a Lego toy. 8 years old girl may get a sewing kit or a big kids or some arts and crafts that they can do it. So that will be our whole class project, the overall project. But in every class, I'm going to give you a mini project in order to accomplish the overall Santa's factory. Okay. So since my slide
But what is the name of the challenge again? Of the Roblox game again?
the where is that? Where is it? My here. Escape from Santa's factory. But that's just giving you an example how you can design Santa's factory, but you don't have to design like that. That's actually a
Let's see the factory.
yeah, that's actually a maze. So I think I have.
Let's see the RV.
So if you click create, you can create your own. And in my other project, I think while it's loading, I create something from a virtual world, and then I just put 2 boxes and put a bow tie on it to make it look like it's a gift.
I just want to tell you something.
So actually, I select.
Go to Move It Simulator or Mansion.
You don't blur
I
out.
just want to say something.
One at a time. Aiden, you have a question? You can talk now.
I just want to say that I'm great at RB.
You have Andrew Lobby.
I'm just saying I'm good at RB.
No, you failed one of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was just an example. Yeah, a boy can be good at artists as well. So
What is it called again? I forgot.
Enter Factory.
you don't have to play the Roblox now, please. No, don't play it now. I'm just showing you. Okay,
That's
good.
not an RB, Aiden.
Okay, good.
I'm just saying Santa Factory. I'm just writing Santa Factory right here.
Okay, sorry, I have to move on. So that in this example, and don't worry about the Roblox installation yet. I'm just showing an example. Okay, so here, once I have the Roblox installed, I can select a new game. I actually Santa. Do I have it here? I actually select one of the room, and then I put the 2 box here. So if I can navigate around, where am I? I'm on.
Why is outside grass?
I know.
It's supposed to be in the North Pole. It's supposed to be ice.
I know. It's like a. Oh, you can go through the wall. That's very funny. Okay.
No, that's because you're in spectator. If you go to the real game, you have to click play.
I know.
Yeah,
I
click
know.
play.
But I just want to show you. I actually create this.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be cold because it's in the Arctic. And why is there no roof?
Exactly. Exactly. Santa will die if there's no roof because it'll hail and then it'll hit Santa right in the head.
Okay. It's totally your own imagination, your own word. So in here, I create 2 boxes. That's just one example, simple example. And now I can move around. You see, there are so many out in the field, and I can go around and go to different wall, and you can put a different box there as your gift. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, I know now. So you're gonna make a present out of house.
Yeah. You can be anywhere. So it's just give you one example how you can create
I
it.
already know because the shape.
So let's just give you an idea. You can be out in the field, or it can be inside a house, or it can be deep in the ocean. If you like. So I actually created from this one, capture the flag. You know, those are the templates from the Roblox. So if I select this, capture the flag, and then I can add the new stuff there. So I think I walk around.
Oh, team blue and team red.
Yeah, I changed this to blue. Change this from blue to green. So if you click this one, and then this is the one that got highlighted. So inside this wall, it actually consists of so many different small elements, different parts. You see, a part can be a block, a sphere, a widget, or a cylinder. So in this case, it's this wall. Okay, if I click this one, and you see there's a brick color here, blue, I change this to red. Okay, and if you want to change a different wall, you just have to select the right model. I don't know which model is this one, but you just have to keep exploring it. So you see, if I select right now, it's this one.
When your heart gets it's down all the way, you get oop.
Yeah, so this is to show you how you can create different interface using different objects inside a Roblox. Okay, I'm still trying to find. Okay, I think this one, the model is far behind here. You see, this is the one I got highlighted. Okay, but don't worry about this now. This will be the end of the project, our final project. Okay, but for today, what you need to do is just let me go back to my
Then you guys have the battery.
yeah, Sandhouse Factory. For today, it will be just a simple user interface here. If you did you guys already have a Core.org account?
Yeah. What?
Core.org, the Core.org account. Do you guys already?
Roblox.
Not Roblox, the Core.org. If you don't have it yet, you don't have to have an account in order to use it. But in order to save your progress, you do need to have an account. Okay, Core.org. And once we open the Core.org, let me open my Core.org. So in today's first project, we are going to work on. I know we haven't learned anything theory yet, but I just want to throw this out so you have an idea. Okay. So here you select, once you are inside the Core.org, that's the home, right? Once you're inside the Core.org home, and you navigate it down to the App Lab. Let me send the link to you guys again for the App Lab. So if you don't have a Core.org account yet, that will be your homework. But you can click the link from the Zoom chat, start to coding, okay? So once you open the App Lab, you see there are 3 kinds of interface. So one is the code interface. You see there are so many different functions, code function that we can use. But it's still a little bit sophisticated for you now that we will focus on the design. So for today, as long as you can drag the design here, that's fine. So you see there are different screens. We are now in the default screen 1. Okay, I'll give you a couple minutes trying to pull out this. Give me a thumb up whenever you are able to pull out this app.
Wait, can you send the link there in the chat?
I did. Click this. Click this. Click this link, and then you are on the App Lab. Okay. Give me a thumb up whenever.
Find App Lab.
Oh.
It only lists Sprite Lab, Artist, Minecraft Designer, Dance Party, and Poetry.
So if you scroll down to all the apps, you will see, or you can, or just click my link. Are you able to click my link?
It says sign in. Wait, let me see if it actually works.
Yeah, if you sign, your progress will be saved. Your project will be saved. For Daniel and Melody, are you able to open it? Click the link. Daniel and Timothy, are you able to open it? You have to.
When we sign in, we can't get that page. Like, where do you get that page?
Or you can use create, and there's an App Lab. That'll be easier. If you are signed in, then you can select that. Create App Lab. App Lab. App Lab. Got it?
It still doesn't work.
What kind of error message? Just open the slide.
This content has age restrictions in place and is not available for younger students.
Oh.
Well, I could switch the age right now.
Yeah, okay. I think that's for a little bit advanced students.
I wrote
Is
age
there
9 because age 9 is my real age.
Gosh.
Is there a session code?
Should I just like fake it and like just write an older age?
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea. I didn't realize this is for more advanced students.
Because
okay.
all
we
of
can just do it on Roblox.
I know, but some people don't have Roblox yet. Okay.
no, I could just get it. I think my mom and dad.
Wait,
will.
downloading Roblox is actually pretty easy. All I have to do is to type in roblox.com
Yeah,
and
I
then
know,
it'll
I
give you
saw
all the instructions and it'll give you all the rest of the instructions.
Yeah, but the thing
okay.
is,
So
ask my mom and dad write it.
okay, that's okay. Please, if you cannot get in, don't worry right now. But I'm still going to show you what I'm going to do. I'll see if I can find an alternatives. Okay, but stay here at the end so I can guide you maybe an alternative. Okay, but for now,
Nice thing fills up, right?
so sorry. What? So for now, I'm just going to show you. This is a very simple app. Okay, so in here, the very first page we see is Welcome to Santa's Factory. Okay, and then there's a button called Surprise Gift. And then whenever I click the run, it's actually a cell phone app. And whenever I click this button, then it will show me a gift. Where's my gift? Where's my gift? I think it probably crashed again. It said surprise gift wrong. Code design. Place I supposed to. Oh yeah, it's just my computer gets so slow. I think because of Roblox.
Then just close Roblox. You could open it later.
Okay, let me close there. Oh, there we go. Super
You
slow.
got it.
So did you hear a song and then this thing is going very slow showing up?
Just like the checkered background. That looks
Yeah,
kind of
so I did this. So I clicked the design page and then there is a background. I changed the background color to green. It was gray. If I select a new screen, it's supposed it was white before. But if you like, you can change the background to red and you can give the name of the screen. Maybe it's called gifts. Okay, but that's just the name of this screen. And then I put the label there.
Where's the code?
Huh?
Where's the code?
I haven't put any code yet. So far, I just drag it. Okay. I just drag it. So I put the label here and then drag it. So the text here, if I make sure this one is select and I can change the text here to Santa's Workshop. Okay. And you see it's too small. It's got cut off, right? So I have to adjust the height and the width. So the width, maybe I need to change it to 200. Okay, 258, a little bit too long, but that's fine. Maybe 200. Okay, and the height looks okay. And button, I select another button. Once I click it, I can drag it here. Okay, so here's my button. I change the ID to gift. I want to call it the gift. And the text displayed there, I call it the surprise gift.
Why did you write ideas gift?
Ideas gift.
That's GIF.
Yeah. So, and then if I run it, nothing there, right? Oh, I mean, it will go back to my first screen. The second screen will never show because I didn't ask it to show. I only, if I go back to my code for my first screen. Where is my code? Okay, so this is the code for my first screen. So inside here, actually, I have some events. So event is when something happens. Like I click the button. I click a button, then I will play a song here and display a new image. Okay, because some of you cannot access this right now, I don't want you to do this homework yet, even though I put in my Google Classroom. But this is just one example of the project we are going to do. Okay, but let me switch back to my slide right now. I want to show you something we are going to go over throughout this class, since some of the students cannot work on the project now, but that's fine. Let's go back to my theory. So remember, I want to show you the theory, and then my computer got crashed. Okay. Theory. What's the weather for tomorrow?
Looks like nice weather coming up tomorrow. Up to 66 degrees.
Okay, so that's my voice input for my computer program. It's called Siri. Okay. So that's just another example of the input-output device. Remember we were talking about input-output device? Oh, my computer is still very, very slow. I have too much going on. So I use my microphone as my input and then sending out the information to the computer. And the computer was, after Siri hearing all these things, and then it was trying to look up on the database behind or whatever the answer behind, and then sending me back the answer saying, okay, the weather for tomorrow likes to be sunny or clouded. That's the output. So I'm receiving his response in output in another sentence, the Siri talking me back. Okay. So some more example of the input. Scanner is the input, and it tries to scan the barcode. And the printer, the physical printer, color printer would be an input. And there's another kind of scanner. This is like physical scanner. It will scan, if you give a page like a textbook there, it will try to scan your page and project it out. So that's called projector scan. Like it's input or also output. Okay, another kind of input. Do you guys have a Lego robotics? Have you ever heard of Lego robotics? Hayden has. Okay, Lego robotics has certain kind of sensor like input. Say for example, it can move around. It's a machine, you can move around, and then if it sense there are physics objects in the front, it will stop. So that's the object sensor. And sometimes we have a light sensor. Like this one, is a light sensor. If it's too dark, then the light will light up. And the touch screen is another kind of sensor. Also, this one is the pressure sensor. If you press it, and it's got like a scale. If you put your weight on it, then it will tell you how heavy you are. So all those are different input and output device. So projector is another output device, and headphone is another output device. What is this? Is that a ball? That's a speaker. That's a speaker. I think that's the Echo Dot. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Oh yeah, I have Echo Dot. Mine is a panda.
That's for kids. Okay, and another thing we are going to go over in the class is like a virtual reality. So I do have one of the virtual reality. I loaded. That's why my computer is so slow. I'm loading so much things I want to show you. So in here, it's actually a museum. And inside this museum, you see the interface is pretty cool. It will ask me, do I want to explore Africa, America, Asia, or Europe? And even if I want to explore it, say for example, we are all
We're already at America.
America. Okay, let's
We're already at America.
America.
I'm already at America.
Okay, yeah. Even for the America, you can scroll in different timeline. So this is 80, 12, 13,000, 15,000. We are right now 80, 2021, almost the end, right? Almost 2022.
Can you go to the earliest place in history? And then what's the earliest thing recorded?
BC, wow, 2 million.
Then what's the like the oldest red dot?
Yeah.
Hey, can you see what picture it is? If it's 2
wait,
million?
go. Yeah, that one.
Go back to 2 million.
That one.
So if I click this, it will show you there is what is that? Play Store. Okay, Play
You
Store.
gotta 2 million and then see it.
You see? Oh, so there are some artwork in the clay stone. So this is actually a museum, a virtual museum we are trying to explore right now. You see? Oh, it's so pretty. It has like all the people. Is he playing drum? Looks like he's playing some kind of music. Or are they fighting? Yeah. That's very interesting, right? So
Flying a tree. And one of them got fallen off by a horse because of an arrow.
okay, that's cool. That's cool. So yeah, this is just like one way you can interact with the system, and you see this is pretty amazing, right? The way you interact, you select the time this way, and you can move forward and backward. Okay, so that's just one example of how you input your system. Let me go back to my slide, hopefully. So that's just one example of the museum, and I'm going to skip all this slide very quickly because this just gives you an overview of what the class is about. Okay, and I include some of the link. You can, if you want to tour San Diego Zoo, you can do that. Aquarium, you can do that here. And another thing is that augmented reality. If you wear the glasses there, remember that I was showing the glasses here, the virtual reality headset. If you're wearing the headset on your head or glasses, and then you probably will see something virtual, like a flying whale. Oh, sorry, it's jumping too fast. A flying whale on the beach. So this is a real world. But if you wear the glasses, you'll see a whale actually flying towards you. Okay. That's another way that you can design the interface. It's a augmented reality. It's based on reality, the input from reality, and then you add something extra on top of that. So pretty cool, huh? That's another way you can play games, or you can use it to see doctor. I think this one is for doctor. As long as you have a watch. And then the watch can be your camera as well. And the projector projecting to your hand. And then now you are seeing a doctor as if you are in the hospital. So that's another kind of user interface. Everything is virtual, but we have a camera as your input. We have a projector as
It is virtual and it looks like reality.
I know, yeah, that's called this is actually called augmented reality because it's based on the reality, and we are argument like this word augmented. That means on top of that we add on. Okay, virtual is totally virtual. Like back to my museum here, it's totally virtual. I didn't actually go to Asia. I didn't actually go to Africa.
Africa is the earliest thing. It has 2 million BC.
Yeah, and another example of the augmented reality is that, you know, whenever you if you have phone, some of the app, if
That
you
plant is impossible to guess. It's all green. How do we even know the color?
no, this one is trying to recognize like what kind of dog it is.
Picture this. I know that. I have that.
Yeah, picture this, or sometimes that you are like, what is the
And also
plane?
picture bird.
Yeah, picture a plane or something. So you just take out your camera cell phone. I know you guys don't have a phone, or if you have an iPad, maybe you can take out iPad. And this is an app from the iPad. You take a picture of your camera, and you will show you what this is. Okay, so that's another example of augmented reality. You can use this to interact with a computer system. So I just want to give all this example as a user interface. What is all about user interface? So there are so many different ways you can input to the computer using camera, using voice, or sometimes it's you. Okay, next one. So this is using your voice as your input, and this one, next one is using your pose. Okay, so maybe turn right, you just raise your right hand and turn left, and or raise your left hand, or you can say, okay, turn right like this and turn left like that. So if you have played like those sports feats, Wii Sports or Wii Fit, then you have to dance around and give the computer instruction by your pose. Okay, that's another input. So in this case, we're using the camera as your input, but your pose actually gives the computer some kind of information. Okay. This is another virtual things, like we're trying to model things in blocks. Okay, but this is let's skip it for now. So at the end for today's class, I'm actually trying to create an avatar for student of today. Oh, you guys having the same sticker? Okay, you still have some more chance to earn some more sticker. At the end of today's class, the student get the most sticker. Wait, what? We only have 5 more minutes. Okay.
I think we already know who won.
Maybe
From yesterday.
The teacher
Not
won.
this week.
we can okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Ethan, it's not yesterday. What?
not yesterday. Okay. Another thing I want to show you.
That week.
Another thing I want to show you is that you can use your eye movement as your input device as well. So in this video here, where's my video? Where's my video? Here? Oh yeah, okay, here. So in this video, it's a very short clip. You see the person is looking here and the computer is trying to model, trying to keep track of the person. He's looking here or there, here or there. Okay, so that's another way to input to the computer system using your body language. Okay, so okay, so at the end of the class,
That's Roblox.
I know.
No,
that's actually Minecraft. This is Minecraft. So
Yeah.
at the end, and so in your Sandhouse factory, you can create in your Minecraft if you have Minecraft, or create in your Roblox. And if you don't have it, let's just use the Portorg. Since some of you cannot use the app, so maybe
What do we have to do in the Santa thing? Complete a puzzle.
I just have to update my age thing so it turns into like.
No. Let's do the Sprite App. I think the Sprite App allow your age to do that.
Yeah, I could do Sprite Lab, but does it still work the same?
Yeah, so in Sprite Lab here, you can give a text. Say, print out, welcome Sandhouse factory.
Loading. Oh yeah, I see. Oh, there's so much.
Okay, but don't worry about this homework for now. For today's homework, you just have to apply the Portorg account. Okay, and make sure you can open this Sprite app. So when run, it's going to make a new cat, and it's going to print out welcome Sandhouse factory. And let's see. And then the next things I am going to show is you can print out text. Print out.
But I have the question.
I have a surprise. I have a gift for you. And then you are going to make a new.
You said I have a gift for yours.
Okay.
What does that even mean?
And then when it's click, and then you are going to make another new sprite, and that will be the gift. Okay, when it's click, and you are going to make a new gift. Where's my gift?
There's no gift. Maybe you could create your own or something.
It doesn't allow all costume. Maybe this one looks like a gift. Bell? Is it a bell or?
What is that?
Maybe you can make your own. Let me see.
Cake. Okay, let's make a cake.
Oh, new costume. You can make your own costume.
So when I click this and then make a new cake at a different position. Position. Oh, my computer is getting so slow. So you see the position got changed a little bit, but I need to click this.
Oh, I see. I got it.
Oh, but anyway, you get an idea, okay? So in your homework, you can.
I have the gift. I got it.
Yeah. So in your homework, if your app doesn't work, then just use the sprite here. But if you don't turn in this, that's fine. I'm going to go over this next time. But just make sure you apply a quota or account. I'm running out of time, but you got an idea about what the user interface is about. Okay, but for this project, I'm going to make a gift. Okay. So any question? Before we end?
Okay. So what's the homework?
If you can create this one, because you learned before.
There's no character. How do I get the?
I can't hear you. What's the homework?
Homework is just to create a quota or account. Don't worry about this. We're going to go over this next time. Okay. So just create a quota or account if you don't have it yet, and make sure you can open the app. If you cannot open the app and like a app lab, if you cannot open that, then make sure you can open the Sprite lab. Okay, Sprite lab. Okay. Any other question? Okay, if no more question, I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.